Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money and provide information to help single mothers be successful. For regular updates, please hit the little cute button and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money ladies. How to make money on Pinterest in 2021. A single mom. Since 2010, Pinterest has been helping people find DIYs, recipes, products they love, how-tos, and thousands of other random things. It's both a creative outlet and a marketer's dream, meaning you can learn how to make money on Pinterest in several different ways. But here's the thing about making money on Pinterest. Pinterest knows how powerful the platform is, and they have been actively making changes to protect their users' experience. There have been changes with affiliate marketing, running contests. Here are 10 ways to make money on Pinterest in 2021. 1. Start a blog. Now there are plenty of items on this list that will help you make money on Pinterest, but blogging has the highest earning potential of them all, and it's not close. Over the years, Pinterest has become a massive platform that allows bloggers to reach millions of people on the internet every year. Now there's a common misconception that Pinterest is just another social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, and the rest, but that simply isn't true. It's much more powerful in terms of helping bloggers make money with their content. Just like you likely found this article by typing in how to make money on Pinterest in Google, the same thing happens on Pinterest. It's a search engine, but it's based on images instead of text. This is why bloggers in many different niches have become extremely successful with Pinterest marketing, from food bloggers to personal finance bloggers and more. Here's the quick and dirty version of how making money with a blog on Pinterest works. Choose a blogging niche: food, personal finance, fashion, etc. Create content and post it on your blog, and monetize it with ads, affiliate products, or even sponsored placements. Create a Pinterest account, create a pin, an interesting image that shows what your blog post is about. See below. Post the image on Pinterest. Now there's more to it than that, of course, but that's essentially how it works. When a Pinterest user searches for something that matches your blog post, they'll be able to see your pin, click on it, and ultimately see your ads or buy products from you. And the great thing is that it's scalable. There are plenty of bloggers out there that make anywhere from a few $1,000s per month to hundreds of thousands per month. 2. Become a Pinterest virtual assistant. Pinterest virtual assistants help bloggers, social media influencers, and online business owners optimize their Pinterest accounts. This includes things like creating pins, using Tailwind for scheduling, automating the pinning process, doing keyword research, working with Pinterest Ads Manager to run promoted pins, Pinterest version of Facebook ads, creating sales funnels, opt-ins, and more. One of the things Pinterest virtual assistants like so much about the work is that it's insanely flexible. You work when you want and where you want, and it stays interesting. Most Pinterest virtual assistants have several clients, and they perform different kinds of Pinterest management tasks for each one. How much can you make as a Pinterest virtual assistant? Each client is worth around $500 a month. Sweet. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, the Pinterest virtual assistant course will teach you how to make money on Pinterest. As a virtual assistant, you learn about everything in that bullet-pointed list above, plus how to find, land, and retain clients. The Pinterest course is taught by Kristin Larson, who has already helped hundreds of online entrepreneurs and bloggers grow their businesses. Pinterest VA saves a ton of time while helping make money. It's a win-win. 3. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Affiliate marketing is when you partner with companies to promote products and your services. The company gives you a unique affiliate link that you insert in your posts or pins. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you're paid a commission. This is called making a conversion. Affiliate marketing is one of several different ways that bloggers make money, but it's also a legit way to make money on Pinterest. You can find affiliates through networks like ShareASale, Flex Offers, and more. Once you have affiliates to work with, you create pins with affiliate links in the text. Here are a few really important things to know about affiliate marketing on Pinterest. There are some companies that don't let you post their affiliate links on Pinterest, so always check with the company's affiliate manager and read the rules of your contract. Some companies will not allow you to take images from their site to be used when creating pins, even if you are an affiliate. Amazon is one example. When posting affiliate links, Pinterest does not want you to mask or shorten the affiliate link. They want you to be as transparent as possible. You always need to disclose your affiliate relationship. This is required by the FTC. The easiest thing to do is put an affiliate or affiliate link in your pin. And possibly the most important point, Pinterest has changed its stance on affiliate marketing several times already. They allowed it in the beginning, banned it in 2015, and now it's allowed again. I bring this up because when you are making money on another platform, your income is dependent on that platform. A change in Pinterest policy could be devastating to an affiliate marketer who was making money on Pinterest alone. So what to do? I'd start by diversifying your streams of income, and starting a blog is a great one for someone with a large Pinterest following already. Other social media platforms might be good fits too, like Instagram and Facebook. I still think affiliate marketing is a great way to make money with Pinterest for anyone interested. You can bring a lot of value to your followers' lives by promoting the products you love. Affiliate income makes up a big part of my blogging income, and I feel really good about the companies and products I promote. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, whether it's on Pinterest or through your blog, I highly recommend that you check out my good friend Michelle Schroeder Gardner's course Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing. She regularly makes around $50,000 a month from affiliate marketing alone, and she's done it all without selling her soul. 4. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your e-commerce site. If you have an e-commerce site, whether it's through Shopify or Etsy, you can drive traffic to your site and make money with Pinterest. Again, you're not directly making money from Pinterest, you are leveraging Pinterest's powerful search engine. Here's why Pinterest is an important tool for your e-commerce site. 90% of users say that Pinterest helps them decide what to buy. 78% say it's helpful to see content from brands they see on Pinterest. 66% buy something after seeing it on Pinterest. Pinterest brings in 33% more traffic to shopping sites than Facebook does. You can read more data from Pinterest here. If you're an online shop owner, you can utilize Pinterest in the same ways that bloggers do. That's creating pins to promote new products, putting together boards for different styles or themes, doing keyword research. One thing I didn't mention that's a huge asset to e-commerce owners who want to learn how to make money on Pinterest is something called promoted pins. These are Pinterest versions of Facebook ads. They look like normal pins, but they're actually an ad. You can optimize your promoted pins to meet different goals: traffic, brand awareness, app installs. You can choose to place ads in browse mode. But you can also do it in search mode, where you would pick the keywords a user would need to search to see your ads. This is a valuable position because you're getting ads in front of people who are searching specifically for your product, or at least ones like it. M&M tip: if you want to learn how to make money on Pinterest by running promoted pins for your site, I would check out the Pinterest Virtual Assistant course, mentioned earlier. There is an entire section on promoted pins, and you'll learn a lot more about utilizing Pinterest for your own business needs. 5. Gain a skill from Pinterest and monetize it. Another way to think about Pinterest is as a huge learning library. You can put in the most random stuff and find that someone somewhere has pinned something about it. You can learn how to decorate cakes, build furniture, make origami stars. Not only can you find all of these different things, but you can also collect and organize them. But what if you did something with all of that knowledge you're collecting? There are so many different things you can learn how to do on Pinterest. A lot of them are marketable skills. I spent a little time searching and scrolling through Pinterest and came up with a few ideas. You can start a podcast and monetize it. You can learn how to make those fancy signs you see everywhere. My wife has several, and sell them. Facebook buy sell groups are a great place to start selling. You can learn how to do calligraphy and get paid to make signs, address fancy letters, do invites, and more. You can learn how to knit or crochet and sell hats, scarves, toys. You can level up your photography skills and eventually sell your photos to stock photo sites, do portrait photography, take family photos, shoot weddings. That's just scratching the surface of what you can learn how to do on Pinterest. Rather than focusing on how to make money on Pinterest, Think about what you can learn from Pinterest. And here's the cool part: depending on what you decide to do, you can turn to Pinterest once again to promote your products or services. 6. Curate a shared board with a brand. For pinners with a decent-sized following, this kind of thing is hard to nail down because it's about the number of followers and the quality of each follower. This and the next two ideas are great ways to make money with Pinterest. Don't worry, I've got tips for growing your Pinterest following at the end of this article. Curating a shared board with a brand means you work with the company and they pay you, usually, a flat fee, to create a board for them on Pinterest. Not only do you get paid, you end up gaining some followers and views from people who are looking at companies that align with your brand and niche. 7. Do a joint promotion with a brand. This is when a pinner works directly with a brand to create pins that promote the company's products. It can be product placement things, like 10 ways to repurpose Coca-Cola cans or our epic Airbnb vacations. I don't know if either of those brands do joint promotions with Pinterest. This is just an example. To make money on Pinterest through a joint promotion, you'll need a successful account and be able to create awesome pins, which would include the concept of the pin, photography, brand placement, design of pin. If you're looking for brands to work with, Pinterest recommends checking out the Pin Collective. 8. Help people shop your look. Shop the look pins are a really popular way for pinners to earn money by promoting products they are wearing or using. I'm sure you've seen them. They look something like this. As long as your account is set up as a business account, what you need to do if you want to make money on Pinterest, you can create Shop the Look pins. For items you've tagged in your pins, someone can click on that little blue dot, see the item, make a purchase, and you earn a commission. In some ways, it's similar to affiliate marketing, but it's with individual products on individual pins. 9. Teach people your Pinterest strategy. When you get good at any of those ideas above, the next step is to make money on Pinterest by leveraging your Pinterest knowledge. If you manage to find several brands to work with you, other pinners will want to know how. Created several successful Pinterest campaigns for different clients. Give people that knowledge. You can monetize your Pinterest knowledge with courses, ebooks, coaching. Having a blog will help you share your journey and reach other people who want to do the same. If you don't have a blog yet and are interested in starting one, Launch That Blog is a free service that helps with the installation and setup process of a WordPress blog. Teaches you how to use it, helps you make it look awesome, makes sure you have the essential tools ready to go. The only thing you need to pay for is hosting, which is only $2.95 per month through Bluehost. So let's get started, ladies. Thank you for watching, and we here at Single Moms Make Money hope this video brings value to you. Please hit the like button and share this video with other moms. Toodles.